आज मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? एंड आई विश यू कुड गेट अवे बाय सेइंग मेरे पास माँ है. But please understand this. In business, apart from your माँ की दुआ, you also need money in the bank account. You need profits. And that's the challenge with most businesses today. Most entrepreneurs are actually not making profits. They are just doing sales for the sake of turnover and have no money with them in their bank account. And that's why in this video, I want to share with you 4 strategies to improve your profitability. Make sure you watch this video till the end. My name is Rajiv Talreja, and as a business owner for the last 14 years, I have built 4 companies which employ more than 2,100 people directly. But for the first 8 years as an entrepreneur, I made the classic mistake of working really hard, doing everything in my business, making sure my customers are happy, making sure my team is getting salary paid on time, but not having money for myself, not having money to pay myself. Ladies and gentlemen, as an entrepreneur, over the last 14 years, I have lived 2 lives. First 8 years, which was tragic, and the last 6 years, which was magic. And the magic began when I started valuing profitability in business. The magic began when I started developing my ability to create profitability for my business. And as a business coach, in the last 5 years, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs create profitable, scalable businesses for themselves. And in this video, when I break down for you the 4 profit generation strategies, I promise you it will be a game changer for your business, because at the end of the day, the real meaning of success in business is not just getting more customers. The real meaning of success in business is profitability. Now make sure you watch this video till the end for 2 reasons. Number 1, to learn the 4 profit making strategies, and number 2 is at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a special invitation to attend a 4-hour training where I'm going to break down the science of building a profitable, scalable business model for you. So for more details, watch the video till the end. Now, let's go back to the topic on why profitability is so important. I want you to imagine this. Imagine that you're driving your car every single day. You're driving it to work, you're driving it back from work to your home. You're driving your car every single day, trusting the mileage of your car. But what has happened without your knowledge is that there's a leakage in your fuel pipe, and every day you're losing 50% of the fuel. But you're not checking it. You're just going with the flow because you trust your car. And suddenly at the end of the month, you realize that your consumption of fuel has increased. You realize that your expense on fuel has doubled. And this is what creates the doubt and suspicion within you. And when you go to the mechanic says, "Kya sir, 1 महीने से fuel leak हो रहा है और आपको पता भी नहीं चला." You know why? Because you did not check. And in the same way, as a business owner, you will be making a disastrous decision in your business if you're not checking the profitability of your business on an ongoing basis. And this commonly happens with a lot of business owners. Most business owners realize that they're actually not making money at the end of the financial year when they're sitting with their auditor, and the auditor is like, "Kya kiya pura saal? What did you do the entire year?" Some business owners realize that they've actually not made money when they sit and do expenses of a particular project or the production of a particular product or a service, and then they realize they spend more money from their pocket than the price that they quoted to the client also. This is a common challenge that I see in a lot of businesses. Why? Because they don't carry prioritization of profitability. Now, please understand this. Profit is the end game of business. And if you're not focusing on the end game, then your game is going to end soon. And that's why you need to understand what it takes to build a profitable business. And here are 4 strategies that I want to share with you to improve your profitability and to protect the profitability of your business. So let's get started with what those 4 strategies are. Your strategy number 1 for increasing profitability. Strategy number 1 is consistent marketing. Now, some of you must be wondering, consistent marketing, how will that increase my profitability? Well, let me explain that. Do you face the challenge where in your business you give in to customers' negotiation and bargaining, where you don't have an option but to get the business from the client, you have to agree to their price? Well, the best way of protecting your margins, the best way of protecting yourself from the customer's negotiation and bargaining is actually marketing consistently. You're still not able to make sense, right? Because you're wondering, Rajiv, how will I protect my profitability and my margins, and how can I protect myself from customer negotiation by marketing? Let me tell you the logic behind it. When you do consistent marketing, when you go out there consistently and you market yourself consistently, you build a pipeline of leads and inquiries. Now, when you have a pipeline of leads and inquiries, that's when you have confidence. And when you have confidence, because you have enough leads and inquiries in the pipeline, that's when with that confidence you can hold your price, you can hold your margins, and you can tell the customer, this is the price, take it or leave it. Now, when the customer sees that confidence of take it or leave it, 7 out of 10 customers buy from you, because people like to buy from experts. People like to buy from confident people. 7 out of 10 will buy. I'm not saying 10 out of 10. 3 may not buy, but 7 out of 10 will buy, and it's better to sell at your price to 7 people than to sell at their price to 7 people or even 10 people, which doesn't even happen when you negotiate, right? Not everybody buys from you. So please understand this. When you market yourself consistently and you have a consistent pipeline of leads and inquiries, you have confidence, and with that confidence you can hold your price and not surrender to the negotiation and bargaining tactics of your customer. That's your first way of retaining profitability. But if you're not marketing consistently, obviously you will not have leads in the pipeline, projects in the pipeline, inquiries in the pipeline. And when you don't have leads, inquiries, and projects in the pipeline, you become desperate, you don't have confidence, you live in fear and self-doubt, and that desperation, fear, and self-doubt is visible on your face. And your customer, when they see you are desperate, they actually misuse that desperation by negotiating more, bargaining more, and you have no other option but to do business at their price because you don't have leads. So marketing is your first profit generation strategy. Consistent marketing protects you from the bad habit of the customers in negotiation and bargaining. So make sure you market yourself consistently. The second strategy for maintaining your profitability is actually called setting a boundary price. Write that down for yourself. What do I mean by setting a boundary price? Watch this. We all know that a customer looks at it as their birthright to negotiate when you sell. So when you are going for a sales pitch and when you're selling, make sure you are clear about an offer price and a boundary price. Offer price is the price that you will quote. Boundary price is the price below which you will not enter the deal. And it is very important as a business to know what is that boundary price. What is that price below which you will not enter the deal, below which you will not sell your product or sell your service. It's very important to know that, because that's the price below which you will walk away. You will reject the customer and you will fold your hands and say, Sir, maaf karna, it won't work out for us. And you are rejecting the customer. You are saying, I don't want to do the deal. It's important to know that, because if you don't know your boundary price, then it's like you're walking into a boxing ring without wearing boxing gloves. Now, you walk into a boxing ring without wearing boxing gloves, you will walk out with one eye becoming black and the other eye becoming blue. But when you know your boundary price, that's like having your gloves so you can defend yourself and you know when to stop the engagement, when to say no to the customer. And I'll tell you what happens. Psychologically again, when you say no to the customer and when you say, below this, we don't work at all, then you are rejecting the customer, and nobody likes to be rejected. Again, 7 out of 10 people come back and say, Chalo yaar, bura maan gaye tum, let's close the deal, chalega, we'll work at this price. So remember this. These are methods to protect your profitability and increase your profitability. Number 1, marketing consistently so you're not desperate. Number 2, in sales, knowing your boundary price below which you will walk away without any regrets. Because the worst thing that can happen to you as a business owner is you close the deal in desperation at a low price and then later regret saying, shit yaar, I shouldn't have done that. So knowing your boundary price protects your profitability and helps you enhance your profitability as well. Which brings me to the third strategy to improve your profitability. The third strategy to improve your profitability is actually research and development of new products and new services. Consider this. When you research the customer's needs, desires, problems, pain points, and you develop solutions in the form of products or services which can solve a significant problem for your customers, which can fulfill a significant need or desire of your customer, which can solve a pain point of your customer, and when you launch these kind of new products and new services, when you innovate and you create new offerings for your customers, then two things happen. Number one, you attract new customers, which again increases your profitability. Number two, you make more money from your existing happy customers, because your existing happy customers already trust you, already have a relationship with you. And when you're launching a new product or a new service, you can upsell and remarket to those customers and make more money from your existing happy customers, which always gives you a higher return on your investment, which always gives you a high profitability. So far, I've given you 3 strategies to improve your profitability. Strategy number 1, market your business consistently and generate leads consistently to protect yourself from customer negotiation. Strategy number 2, in sales, know your boundary price, a price below which you will walk away from the deal without any regret. Strategy number 3, do R&D and create new products and new services to attract new customers and make more money from your existing happy customers. Which brings me to the 4th strategy for improving your profitability. And the 4th strategy is reporting and tracking. I can't tell you how important this is in any business of any size, in any industry, selling any product or any service to any segment of customer. Reporting and tracking of data is the reason which can save you money, or could be the reason because of which you're losing money if you're not reporting and you're not tracking the data of your transactions. Because consider this, numbers never lie. People lie, numbers don't lie. So you need to have a strong reporting and tracking system to measure your expenses, measure your profit per sale, measure your profit per project or profit per client. Because without that reporting and tracking and measurement, you are gambling in your business. You're playing blind, my friend. Don't play blind in your business. Make sure you have a reporting and tracking system, and make sure you are running an analysis consistently for every project, every client, every product line, to know exactly where are the leakages and to know exactly where is the optimization of return, so that you can focus more on things that are high return and kill the leakages and stop the leakages and wastages in your profitability. I can't tell you how critical this is. Please remember one thing, numbers never lie, people lie. So you need to have a reporting system to protect your profitability. Now, these are the 4 key strategies that I believe can be a game changer. You may not need to implement all the 4, but I know one thing. One idea can change your life, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure that you implement that one strategy at least out of these 4, and tell me in the comment section below which has been a game-changing strategy for you to improve your profitability in your business. I look forward to hearing from you, my friend, because I know at the end of the day, Gadi, Bangla, bank balance all comes when you manage profitability. So make sure you implement these 4 solutions, and at least implement one of these solutions. Now, if you want to continue the learning journey with me, then here is what I recommend. Click on the link mentioned below and register yourself for a 4-hour training called the Business Breakthrough Seminar. This is a 4-hour live training with me where I break down for you how do you adapt more strategies to make your business model profitable, and how do you market yourself consistently in the new world. And I also break down for you a step-by-step system to build a business which can grow without you. So click on the link below, and I look forward to seeing you at the Business Breakthrough Seminar.